Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we'll see one more type of prompt in generative AI, that too in prompt engineering. So in our previous session we have seen 0 short prompts, so where directly it will give the answers for the questions we have given. So there will be no examples given for the instruction with the, along with the instruction, so that the complete output will be depending on the complete pre-trained knowledge of the AI model. Now in today's session we'll see one more concept, that means one more type of prompt, that is a one shot instructions or one shot prompts. So let us start the session. So here also we'll see a different kind of examples. So one shot prompts. So what is this one shot prompts means? The instruction is common here. So instruction gives what AI model have to do, right? And example along with the instruction, here we will also be giving the example, right? So the instruction plus example. So that is also only one example. Okay, that's also only one example. So that's why the name comes here with a one shot prompt. Okay, so instruction tells what AI model have to do, and the example tells what kind of output user expects. Okay, and also it shows the style or a format of output which it should produce, what kind of style, okay, in which way the user expecting the output. Okay, and here one shot prompts we will be giving the instruction at the same time an example. Okay, and then why to use these one shot prompts, right? So the first reason is it helps the model to understand the user perspective, and the second one, it will automatically reduces ambiguous outputs. Okay, and also whenever the the 0 shot prompts gives the inconsistency results, then alternatively we can go with this one shot prompt. So I'll give an example here so that you will be understanding, and also we'll see the implementation. So coming to the example, first one is an instruction. So we need to give the instruction. So instruction, I am giving the instruction. So here the instruction, let us take explain the word given, right? That's an instruction. So here we are giving an example as, so input, example input, I'll give it as an apple. So how I should get the output? So the output should be like a round fruit that grows on trees and is usually red or green. Okay, so like this I need to get the output. Now explain the word. What is the input? I'll give it as some computer. Okay, now I'll give the same instruction. See, this is the instruction, explain the word given, and how I need to get the, if I give apple, I need the output as in a single sentence, a round fruit that grows on trees and usually red or green. Similarly, now I'll give the input as a computer, what will be the output. So I'll copy the same thing. See, in this ChatGPT I'll give here and just give let us wait for the output. See, The output is electronic device that processes data and performs a task according to instructions given through programs. It can store, retrieve and manipulate information to help with the calculations and communications and various applications. For example, if you change this word apple with orange, a round juicy fruit with a tough bright orange skin and a sweet tangy flavor. So here we are giving the output, I mean the perspective, user perspective, how the user wants to get the result or output. So in the same pattern it will return the output. So hope you understood. Let us see one more example, right? So classify the statement as positive or negative. So this is similar to a text. What is the text here? I am giving, I like the movie. If I give this one as a text, so what will be the output? Output will be the sentiment analysis, right? So which is a positive meaning. And now the text or input, if the input is I don't like the movie, then what is the output? Okay, see, we are getting the output as negative. So here along with the instruction, so the instruction is classify the statement as positive or negative. So one example we are giving, right? One demonstration we are giving, and based upon that demonstration the next pattern or the next output will be generated. So this is sentiment analysis, one example for sentiment analysis. And the third example, let us move on with the third example, translations. So if you want to translate the sentence from one language to another, so I'll give here translate, I'll write here, okay, example 2. The instruction is translate the sentence to Telugu. So what is the input? I'll give one example. Okay, I'll give one example. Good morning, and see, I'll write here. Okay, translate the sentence good morning in Telugu. See, I am getting the Telugu word, right? So I have to give the output also, one example. So in order to give the output, I am using the same thing, right? Now, input, thank you very much to all the subscribers. Then what will be the output, right? So I'll ask the same question. So I'm giving one example. So translate the sentence in Telugu. So I'm getting with the help of one example, the first example, I need to get the output for the second one. So I have given input as thank you very much to all the subscribers. So I got the same translated in Telugu. So along with the instruction, we are giving one example also, right? So one more. The major usage where we can use is in the competitive exams. So in the competitive exams, we might be learning a few questions, right? Like sequences. See, we'll see those kind of sequences as an example right now. So let us take if depressed is represented with a sad, then neat is represented with what? Okay, so these kind of questions we'll be experiencing in the competitive exams. So in that also, so I have given one example. If depressed is the question, sad will be the answer, then neat is the question, what will be the answer? See, it's a clean. Okay, I am giving one example. So with the help of that pattern only we are getting the output. So one more such type of question, right? Example, another example. See, number series, we will be seeing the number of questions. If 1 is equal to 3 and 2 is equal to 6 and 3 is equal to 11, then 4 is equal to how much? So the same question will give, right? So I am giving some examples, right? Then I am asking the question. So here we have given the question. So it was taking some time. It was analyzing. See, we got the answer. If it is a 4, it is an 18. It was also giving the answer, solution. So function is equal to n square plus 2. So if it is 2, 2 square plus 2. If it is 3, 3 plus square, 3 square plus 2. So if it is 4, 4 square plus 2. It is an 18. So such type of questions also you can ask in this one shot prompts. Next, one more example, last example. We can also see the questions in a words, right? So if CARROM is coded as BZ CARROM is coded as BZQQNL, oh sorry, BZQQNL, then horse is what? Horse is coded with what? So I am giving one example so that I need the answer for the similar example, similar word, another word in the similar pattern, right? So it will decode the formula and it will tell us, right? Yes. So H is coded with the G, O is coded with N, R is coded with Q, S is coded with R, and E is coded with D. So G, N, Q, R, D is the coded format of horse, right? Yes. So these kind of prompts we call them as a one shot prompts. So where we have to give one example how the output should be generated, right? Yes. So hope you understood this one, and if you enjoyed the session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.